I'm Jared Deanda, and in front of me, these are the genuine Harley-Davidson lithium-ion batteries. You can see there's three options here. Power up with Lithium LiFe battery technology. What is that? Well, it offers unequalled cranking power and a significant weight reduction compared to an AGM lead-acid battery. This is an 8-amp battery for touring. Let's see how light it is. This is a drop-in replacement for the original equipment battery, up to twice the lifespan of AGM lead-acid batteries. What's great about this battery too, disconnect it from your motorcycle, put it on the shelf, because this lithium battery will actually maintain its charge without maintenance for up to 12 months. So wherever you're at, this thing is ready to go and go ahead and hit the open road. Now, if you do keep the battery attached for an extended period of time without use, you should install a battery charger to your motorcycle. This has an internal solid-state battery management system, which equates to automatically detecting over or under charging for more reliable starting performance, and it protects the battery from deep discharge, over voltage, or over temperature issues. Quality and performance. Lightweight, backed by a 5-year limited warranty. For this and other genuine Harley-Davidson parts, visit your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealer or visit h-d.com.